In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import credit card transactions into QuickBooks. Let's simplify your bookkeeping process and ensure all your financial dealings are seamlessly organized. Firstly, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. To do this, head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. This takes you to the login page where you'll select QuickBooks Online from the options provided. Now enter your login credentials carefully, your email or username followed by your password. Once you've filled in these details, hit the Continue button. If you've successfully logged in, you should be on your QuickBooks dashboard. Next, we need to navigate to the Transactions section. From your QuickBooks homepage, locate the Navigation menu and look for the Transactions tab. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down and you want to select the Bank Transactions option. This section is crucial as it deals with your financial records and ensures everything is captured accurately. Once you are in the Bank Transactions section, direct your attention to the Link Account option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it and from the menu that appears, choose Upload from File. QuickBooks allows you to import transactions directly from your computer, which is especially useful if your bank doesn't have a direct connection with QuickBooks or if you're working with past transactions. Now comes the file upload process. Click on Upload from File and you'll be prompted to manually upload your transactions. It's best to have a CSV, QFX or OFX file prepared beforehand with your credit card transactions. If you're unsure how to export these transactions from your bank's website, usually banks have dedicated sections for downloading transaction histories in these formats. After you click Upload from File, you'll be able to browse your computer for the file you need. Navigate through your files, locate the correct file, select it, and click on Open or Choose. QuickBooks will now import the data from this file, preparing it for the next steps. Once you've selected your file and it's been uploaded, follow the prompts to proceed. This is usually a continuous process where QuickBooks imports your data in stages. You'll see confirmation of your transactions being imported, and it's important to review them to ensure accuracy. Double check dates, amounts and descriptions to avoid discrepancies in your records. Click Continue at the end of each prompt until the process is complete. You've now successfully imported your credit card transactions into QuickBooks. This method not only saves time, but also minimizes the risk of manual entry errors. Thank you for following along. Make sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Happy bookkeeping!